Hey guys, what's up? Hi, I'm Deepshika. Welcome back to my channel, Sassy Doctor. First of all, I would like to wish you a very happy Diwali from my side. I hope your friends and family have a really good time with you. Today makeup is a very subtle kind of makeup that I preferred. I have done nude eye makeup and I have used a bold lipstick because I like to wear bold lipsticks. So without much ado, let's start the video. Please avoid any noises in the background because I am in my hometown and it's in market, and as it's Diwali, so you can imagine how much crowd and noise would be here, so bear with it please. For Diwali, I purchased this kurti from Big Bazaar. This is a pastel colored kurti, and I paired this kurti with jeans because it was too cold. These are the sandals that I'll be wearing today. Diwali preps, guys, you can see. If you have been following my previous videos, you would know that I love to moisturize my skin before using a primer, before doing any sort of makeup. So today I'm using Pond's Super Light Gel as it's very light. Plus I was out of any sort of moisturizer, so I used this one. You must be knowing that it's a kind of dupe of Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. I always keep on switching between these two moisturizers because I love them individually very much. And as it's winter, your skin might tend to be very dry, especially if you are from North India, or if you are a dry skin type, or if you belong from any place where it's very cold. For priming my skin before makeup, I'm going to be using a primer from Color Bar. You must be knowing that I use this primer a lot as it's a cream based primer, but very soon I'm going to be purchasing a liquid based primer, or you can say setting spray for makeup. I was waiting for it. I really wanted to use a water based primer. For today's nude eye makeup, I'm going to be using this eye palette. The very first shade that I'm using is Elegant, then a bit darker shade is Queen, and the last one is Model. I think it's spelled like that. And very quickly, I'm just gonna dab the Elegant shade onto my lids on both of my eyes because it's a lighter shade. It would provide a kind of background for my darker eyeshadow so that it looks very subtle. You can see my eyes just kind of popping out. Now I'm gonna be taking the second shade from the eye palette and I'm gonna put it on my lid by just moving my brush back and forth, and you can use circular motion to sort of blend the colors into your eyes. Now I'll be taking the third eyeshadow in the palette, that is Model, and I'm just gonna put it onto my crease and I'll just move my brush back and forth. I'm using a same brush for the eyeshadow. You can use different brushes. As I was in my hometown, I didn't bought much of the stuff for my makeup, so I had to bear with it. I actually forgot my beauty blender as well. Here I just used the second shade from the eye palette to line my waterline, lower waterline, and I am now lining my lower waterline by white kajal. It sort of pops out your eyes and make your eyes look bigger. I forgot to mention that I had done my eyebrows already, so now I'm just using a kajal instead of eyeliner. You can see as soon as I conceal my under eyes, my eye makeup sort of pops out and it is looking very beautiful. Next, for foundation, I'm taking Sugar foundation in the shade Fredo, and it's, if you are close to my skin tone, you can use this shade of the foundation. किसी ने सही कहा है, लड़कियों को कितना भी आप पैकिंग करवा लो, कुछ ना कुछ भूलती हैं. So this is what happened with me. I forgot my beauty blender. So what I did was I just tapped the whole foundation with my fingers first. Then whatever extra product was left on my skin, I just sort of, removed it with the cotton pad, and later I just dabbed it with my fingers. It might look that I'm just dragging my fingers over my face, but I have used fast forward motion, so it's looking like I'm doing so, but I'm just dabbing my fingers onto my face. Next, I'm using Fit Me Loose powder in the shade light medium to bake my under eyes, and wherever I have used concealer onto my face, later I'm gonna dust it off. You know the process. Now for bronzing my face, I'm using this Sugar palette.
I'm calling, maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Be with no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby. To my thick chicks down in Texas, all the way to New Orleans where the girls cook catfish. And in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest, where the ladies got asses and love live sex. And Hot Atlanta, y'all, is one of the best, where they speak southern slang and smoke la cess. And New York.
Now for blush, I'm using Color Bar Coral Craving. I'm not showing this one to you because it's broken, because I was using it. It fell from my hands and it's now all powdery, but never mind. I'm gonna use it anyway because product to bacha hai yaar. It's a powder anyway, you just have to use it. It's usable even if it's broken, so I don't mind using it. I always try to bronze my face because it kind of gives a definition to your features, and when it mixes with blush, it looks super beautiful. For lipstick, I'm using Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Brazen Raisin. It's a very beautiful shade. It's a sort of burgundy color. I'm just wiping off the lip balm that I had put before doing makeup. I really love to use bold colors in lipsticks, and when it comes to liquid lipstick, it's a bit tricky when you use it, but I really love this lipstick range, which is called Smudge Me Not, and the name itself, Smudge Me Not, of this range of lipsticks is totally justifiable. It's such a beautiful range by Sugar, and if you struggle with liquid lipstick, I would suggest you use these lipstick. It's super beautiful. So this is my look after makeup, and I have worn the kurti now, and you can see how beautiful this looks. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe.